Hello everyone, are you tired of struggling with heavily charging email marketing tools, low returns on investment, cluttered lists, and hours of manual tasks? What if I told you that there is a fantastic AI-powered tool that can boost your campaigns and save you hours of effort? Stay tuned, we are now going to present a secret weapon that every email marketer needs. Presenting to you, Mailpal, the world's first Gmail and Yahoo-friendly e-commerce autoresponder. With Mailpal, send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers. There is no need to pay any monthly fees, and it is also 100% done for you. DMARC, DKIM and SPF. Publish and earn. Need more? No worries. Mailpal offers more features such as all-in-one e-commerce autoresponder, AI-powered software, done for you. DMARC, DKIM and SPF. Free SMTP for unlimited email sending, easy list and customer management, single/double opt-in support, 100% cloud-based software, no recurring fees, list segmentation support, advanced email template builder, smart automation feature, 100% beginner-friendly, subscription from builder, massive speed for multiple lists. How does Mailpal work? You can easily enter email marketing heaven with Mailpal in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Login. Simply log into your AI-based email marketing platform. Nothing to set up or configure. Simply log in and you're ready. Easy, isn't it? Use your credentials to log into the platform and use it. Step 2. Upload your list. Now upload your email list, or if you don't have one, use Mailpal's one-click opt-in package to instantly start getting top-quality leads. Still have any excuse left to start earning your profit? Upload your email list or get high-quality leads from Mailpal data. Step 3. Start sending and start making money. Start sending emails and start making money. With Mailpal, you can even send SMS texts and social media messages to increase your conversions and your profits. Isn't it more than what you expect? With a push of a button, start sending emails and making conversions. And all of this will be done by the AI-powered Mailpal. You just need to sit back and relax. Comparison with the competitors. You know what? You seriously need to stop paying through the nose every month to email marketing apps that are just draining your bank account, such as Aweber, $840 per year. GetResponse, $720 per year. Drip, $1,800 per year. Sendinblue, $1,200 per year. Kartra, $1,440 per year. Klaviyo, $1,250 per year. Will you still choose these over Mailpal? Mailpal Autoresponder's magic. Now the question you must be having: does Mailpal give actual results and boost campaigns? Let us now look at how Mailpal has so far helped marketers excellently, and in what ways. Open rates. Mailpal emails have an average open rate of 45-70% compared to the 18-80% open rate for standard emails. Conversion rates. Mailpal emails will generate 320% higher revenue per email than non-automated emails. Sales impact. If you use autoresponders, you can see up to a 20% increase in sales and recover up to $17.90 per email through abandoned cart emails. Customer retention. Companies using an automated email campaign report a 50% hike in customer retention rates as they keep customers engaged with personalized and timely content. Click-through rates. Mailpal emails can outperform the average 1% click-through rate with more personalized content. Repeat purchases. E-commerce stores that utilize autoresponders see an impressive 35% average repeat purchase rate. Speaking this from an honest experience, you can also be one of them with Mailpal. Price and offer. Enough discussion, it's time for the best decision now. Grab Mailpal today for a low, one-time payment of just $8.89. 24/7 dedicated support included. No tech hassles. Mailpal also offers a set of bonuses which will be very important guides on your way toward success. Let's have a look at the bonuses offered with zero additional fee. Number 1. Modern email marketing and segmentation. Number 2. Strategy for creating email funnels. Number 3. Email list guru. Number 4. Email marketing for newbie marketers. Number 5. Writing engaging emails. Number 6. Automated email marketing funnel. And all of this with a 30-day double money back guarantee if you don't find the product profitable or accurate for you. Isn't it all too much to ask for? Conclusion. Now that we have reached the end of the video, we shall together reach to the conclusion that all the mentioned info is useless until you start with this one-time investment. Start creating better email campaigns and start getting better returns. Now, your Mailpal access from the description. Take the best decision for your email marketing campaigns or keep struggling lifelong. The decision is yours.